Well, hello. This is Walls and Wonder Studio. We've been offline for a little while because doctor's orders. He told me to cut down on painting a little while. But I'm back now, and I'm gonna try to do something. It's kind of an ocean scene, and not a lot of detail, but we'll see what we can work out a little bit, and hopefully that the battery will last long enough or whatever. So we're going to start out with some blue naturally, some sky blue. We're going to do a little real deep stuff at first, and going to go across here with it real deep. The beautiful blue and ultramarine, I believe, dark. Let's get a little water on it so we get some time out of it. Just like here, we're going to do it here about in here. And let's look a little bit more here. And over here, not too much, but come down a little bit more here. Here we go. Let's see if that's about right. I don't know. Here we got let's look here. And get that in there. Let's fan that out a little bit before we go any further here. Let's make this a little more solid here. Boy. That's looking pretty nice there now. Okay, now we're going to lighten that up. Take that same blue here, just bring it right in here, and we're going to bring some lighter, some white in here pretty much so. Get some more blue. Maybe a little more blue than that. I got some water in here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want too much. Let's try this here. I don't know if we're going to go across here. We're going to go about here. And that's it. I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to get that ultramarine blue back out. Because we're going to need some more of that straight stuff here. I'm going to need a new tube of that. I got some other blues, so in case So let's fan this out now. Here, see. All right, now what I got to do is there's a few clouds in here. Let's see. Dip this here and put some water on it, a little bit of water on it, and now we're gonna put some fluid here. There, that's looking pretty good. And we'll do a little bit here. Yeah. I think that might do it. But, yeah. All right. We got I think we can put that away. Now we're gonna wash this out. Let's see if we got the. I gotta want to come down a little bit further here. Now we can wash it off. Let's see how we're going up there. We're doing good, looks like. So on the thing is, I just want to see the thing is still working. Now, I want to get a real sharp line with the dark blue. This is the start of the ocean waves, and I've been painting for a while, and my arm is already giving out. You gotta keep it going, but let's see. Let's see if we can do something here. All right. Now we got to make a new batch. Going to be here. Let's go right in here with this, and we're going to put some green in it here. Believe it or not, real greenish looking, but we're going to have some white naturally. And here. Green. Yeah, a little brighter green. I like that. A little muddier than I wanted. I'm gonna maybe lighten it up a little more. Lighten it up a little more. All right, let's go on here. Yeah, go on here. I don't think I need that, but I'll paint it all around there anyway, just to make it even. I think that's better. That's what I was looking for. The red one was too dark. It's got to look sandy, like sand. That's what it's supposed to look like, because it's a beach. And then I want to put a little dark in there, little dark area right in here, a little shady stuff here. Now I gotta find that. Know if this will do it or not. Maybe it will. Go back with that. Let's clean this out here. All right. I'm gonna get some. Let's get a little black in here, and do an area with the green, maybe greenish black, and maybe a little more, and maybe a little white. I'll probably end up with something, so I'm gonna go in here with this here. That didn't cover it too good, but it'd be all right. And I'm getting it here. Now we need a little, another little sponge brush. Another little sponge brush. I think I'll use this here. And there's gonna be a little black right in here. Here. That in there. It'll be less bit to set that a little bit. But here. So get some yellow here. And a white. Yeah. And yeah, give me white. Give me white. Uh, uh, oh, okay. Now, a little detail work. I think I'll use a new brush here in a minute. Let's see. I want to get a little where I want this here one. What this doing? I'll go with this one here. They're going black. What we're going to do is come in up in here. Come on, I didn't get it on there good. Get that more black over here so I can do something with it. Now, stuff don't want to move out if you don't get the thing going here, right? Now, okay, now we're going to go with another fan brush. I don't like that old one. I think that didn't do it right with the thing. Let's see. Maybe this here would do a little better. I don't know. Trying to get a little arm, should get a little that's a good one there. Should get a little curve on it here. Here's the one I had for that. I gotta wet it to get this here good and soft. We got some more in here, so that I don't want it. Alright. Now I got a little push of, well, I could have used that. Now I better use it here. I wanted just a little bit of let's see, I like the real thin brush here. Looking for a place. I'm thinking of an old song now. But well, maybe here, maybe this here, but I want to. Now I do want it thin. I want it thin, but I want it off here. I want a little mess. I want to see. It's like a little shadow out here. These shadows. And here's one here. Shadow here. It's kind of shadowy. Now we can put a little color in this here. I think we'll put the black in there too. Put the black on the outside of it. And a little white in there. Okay. Put a little bit of here. That's here. Well, I think that's going to be it. Like I said, not a lot of detail, and but it's a little water and a little palm tree out there, and sand over here. Guess we could put a turtle out here, but I'm not too good on turtles. So we're going to shut her down.